Hi everyone, so I put up a poll on Instagram and this is the how-to video that won. To those of you who voted for the other one, I will do it later on, but for now, please do enjoy this video.
And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. You'll be my pleasure.
This is an optional step for those of you who have PNGs that do not have a border. I am using Adobe Photoshop. Other programs should work just as well. Right-click or double-click on the layer and it'll pull up the Layer Styles menu. You will then choose either Outer Glow or Drop Shadow. If you use Outer Glow, make sure you use Drop Shadow as well to tell the border apart from the paper. Make sure the blending style is on normal and the opacity is all the way up, just as you would like it to be. Then you will right-click on the layer and hit Copy Layer Style, and you will right-click on the rest of the layers and hit Paste Layer Style onto those layers that you would like to have that same border. Here you can see that I went for a drop shadow border on a different one, and I ended up picking 3 others to have the same border there. Then you will fill in the empty spaces between that you do not want to cut out with the brush tool. Alright, now that you have everything, you're going to go ahead and cut out those PNGs. This can be the most time-consuming or even the most quickest part depending on how fast or slow you cut these out. But make sure they're cut out how you want them and make sure the border is how you would like it. Now that you have your PNGs cut out, you're going to lay out a piece of parchment paper. You can tape it down if you want, just know the tape's not going to hold well. There's a reason you use parchment paper for this. You're then going to take the packing tape and lay it out in layers. Make sure to line it up as best as you can. I'm doing it in sections because I find it easier for separate stickers. It's easier to do a long strip for a small sticker. You can glue them down if you want. I suggest it, otherwise the static pulls them back up. Then you're going to lay another layer of tape over the top. As you can see, I'm taking a ruler and I am smoothing out all the bubbles. I'm getting all the bubbles out as best as I can, and it helps it stick better to the pictures. You're then going to separate the pictures like that, and you're going to do the same with the rest if you didn't get them all done on one sheet. Alright, so now you're going to take those stickers and you are going to cut off the excess like you see me doing here. Now that the excess is gone, you're going to cut around the sticker following the shape. Make sure to leave a border or they're going to come apart because the front tape holds the back tape on. They should be done at that point. They stick really well. I don't suggest sticking them to anything electronic or cars or basically anything you don't want to sit and peel these off of.